Hi there. All right, so real quick, I just want to go over the procedure for drawing this. These are called isometric or orthographic. I'll fix that in class. I think it's isometric.
It is isometric.
So what you're doing is you're doing a top view, so you can see this is 3 and this is by 2, okay? So you're going to get a piece of styrofoam, and what you're going to do is just kind of like design what your project's going to be. Now, this could be your top, this could be your side instead. So you can decide, well, I like this as being my side and this as being my top. But for today, I'm gonna deal with this as, this is the top of my car and this is the side of my car. So this will be what it looks like on the side. So let's say, well, one thing important is to keep this 2-inch square here, because what we're going to do, and I'll show you on the other side, is you're gonna be drilling a hole in the back of this so that it will fit on the launcher. So here's the launcher, fits in there like that. And that's how it gets launched, and we'll go over the launching procedure later. Sorry, all over the place here. All right, so what I want to do though is I want to kind of decide what this is going to look like. So I'm going to draw that onto here, and remember keeping this back part pretty much at least with this square here open, so we can get about 2 inches in for the pipe. Okay, so then you're going to see probably about that much in there as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of like just make my design, and we'll talk a little bit more about designs at some point. I don't know, maybe I want something like this here, I don't know yet. And then up here on the top, I'm going to, keeping that in mind that it's got to have that, and this is this part right here. So it's going to be kind of a, maybe a point that comes like this. Okay. So that's maybe what mine's going to look like. This is going to be a little bit higher here. This is going to be a little bit lower. So then what I'm going to do is I would just use my scissors and I would cut this out. I would superimpose that and I would trace what I want. And then we'll go into the cutting procedure, which